Hey everyone, my name is Princess and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And I'm so excited for today's video, because today's video I'm gonna be showing you my everyday go-to makeup look. This is another first for my channel. I've never done this before, so I promised myself 2018 we're gonna be a lot of many firsts on my channel. It took me like 4 years to properly do my makeup, and disclaimer, I'm no good at putting makeup. I'm not a pro, I'm not a makeup artist or anything. I just want to show you guys my everyday makeup routines, so if ever I want to wear makeup. So without further ado guys, let's just get started. And you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Hey, someone wants to show up. Hi 30, my number one. And I forgot to tell you guys, I just came up from a bath today, so that's why my hair is really wet right now. But you just want to say hi. So go out now, go out. Just want to say hi.
Take it to a moment where the fields are painted gold and the trees are filled with memories of the feelings never told. When the evening pulls the sun down and the day is almost through, oh, the whole world is sleeping, my world is you. Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you? Be close to you. Can I be close to you?
This is my finished go-to makeup look. This is what I wear if ever I want to wear makeup. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestion you want me to film this 2018. I'm so excited, look forward to film it. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Everything will gonna be linked down below, and don't forget to subscribe to become part of this crazy amazing channel, and I will love you guys forever. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah. Oh, this is it. This is my finish. So that's it. This is my finished makeup. So that's it. This. Okay, I'm gonna let this. Okay. So.